Creamy tartar sauce is even better when it's homemade. Tangy, lemony, and bursting with fresh dill. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like really easy homemade recipes that pack a big punch, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, because that's exactly what we do here. And today is no different. We are making tartar sauce, and this is such an easy recipe with just a few ingredients you probably already have on hand. And truthfully, I never really even liked tartar sauce until I started making my own. It has all the great flavor and taste and none of the weird stuff. In a medium bowl, add 1 cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup rinsed and chopped capers, 3 tablespoons fresh chopped dill, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup minced red onion, a 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and 3 to 4 cranks of fresh ground pepper. Mix this together until it's completely combined. And that's it. That's all it takes. The best way, I think, to enjoy tartar sauce is on a crab cake sandwich, made with a croissant, some tomato, lettuce, the works. Oh yeah. It's bright and lemony, and the dill, oh, tons of fresh dill. And that's the great thing about making this at home. You can switch it up. If you like relish, try subbing out the capers for the same amount of minced dill pickle, and that's awesome too. Or add just a little more or less lemon juice. The key to this is to make it the way you like it and have fun. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and stick around for some more videos, and I'll see you real soon. This might be a little ambitious, but hello, beautiful. Bye guys. It's so good.